Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to copy multiple text boxes in Microsoft Word quickly and correctly. If you are working with layouts like certificates, forms, brochure, resumes, flyers, and design heavy documents, this skill will have saved your time and help keep your formatting consistent. Many users still copy text boxes one by one, which is slow and frustrating. In this video, I will show you simple step-by-step method to select, copy and paste multiple text boxes together without losing alignment, spacing or design. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here a blank page. Now we go to insert menu. Select this text box drop down menu. Now I am create a text box. You can choose any like this or this. Now I am create a custom text box. Now I am write some text. You can increase the font size, otherwise you can adjust this. Now we can see here one. We go back again the insert and add another. Now I am make another. You can increase the font size. Now we can see here two text box. You want to copy the multiple text box at once. At first select the first text box, then press and hold shift on our keyboard to select multiple. Then press and hold alt on our keyboard and copy the press Ctrl and hold on our keyboard to copy. We can see we copy these multiple text boxes easily. You can again Ctrl press on your keyboard and hold, then you can copy multiple text boxes easily. Otherwise you can copy 3, 4 and more than text box at once. At first select multiple text box. Firstly select a text box, then press and hold shift, then select the second, then select third and the another text box. Then press and hold Ctrl on our keyboard to copy the text boxes easily. Now we can see we copy and paste multiple text box very easily. I hope you can understand this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.